My goal today is just to clean the carbon off the heads. I'm just setting up to do that. I'm using a technique I saw on the internet where a guy had just, I forget the guy's name, but he'd just done it with WD-40 and a scrub pad. And here we go. All right, I just wanted to show you a little of the difference. Just wanted to show you the difference between what I started with and where I'm at now with the one set of cylinder heads. This setup here I've just been chipping away at with WD-40 and cleaning tools of various kinds, mostly just a screwdriver. You see it's coming up pretty nicely. Oh, and a little bit of SOS pad. Or what do they call those things? These things. Anyway, this is what I started with roughly, and that's what I'm going towards. It'll be probably not as clean as some of the videos on there, but I felt pretty good about them. I can start to read the brand names on the cylinder or on the valve heads and such. Took me a while to figure out it was Fomoco, but it's coming.